tomorrow no food for. Corrected my mistake. Now she will mortify me. Hi friends, today I'm going to make dosa. My mother says she's very tired. So I told Mom, Mama, today I will cook for you. You take rest. I must believe her. Otherwise, tomorrow no food for me. So now I'm going to make dosa. First, heat the pan. In previous video that I told burn how to explain, that time I told burn the pan. Burn the pan. That's wrong. It is heat the pan. So today I corrected my mistake. Now heat the pan. Yeah, I heated. Now mix the batter. This is batter. You can see. So mix nicely and add little bit of salt and what I already added. So mix nicely. Yeah, now I'm going to pour this in the tawa. Wait for 1 second. For few seconds you should well nicely. Yeah, now I'm going to pour this into the tawa. You can add some oil or you don't need. Wait for 10 seconds. Yeah. You can add vegetables or onion and even egg. But this is not, we should not eat egg today because this is potasi in Tamil. If my mom sees that I'm adding egg, she will mortify me. So my dosa is going to be ready. Wait. So here it should come brown. So that time I can make the dosa perfect. Now a little bit came brown. No. Yeah, it came guys. But here it did not come. So I should make from here. Yeah, the dosa is going to be ready. So I'll tell to my mom that Mom, I have cooked for you dosa. How it is? Taste and tell me. Wait a second, guys. It's broken. Yeah. Now I'm going to take the plate. This is okay for my mom to eat one dosa. So she's very tired. Wow, my dosa is ready. Now I'm going to give this to my mom, but it's a little bit tired out. Another one. So in first I did 2 dosa. So I'm going to add another one. Nicely. Come on, baby. Wow. When I first put this, it was no sound, but it is how much sound it came. While we are making dosa, you should hold here so it can be straight. So you can take the dosa easy. Yeah. Today my mom will give me one surprise if I'm making one dosa. Yeah. It's over. 2 dosa. Yeah, now I'm going to tell to my mom that I have prepared dosa. Mom! I have made dosa for you. Come and eat. Thank you. Tell your favorite dosa in the comment. So thank you for watching.